Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on VOXEL. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that VOXEL broke down a very long-term support of an up channel, and after that, it broke out another down channel as well. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this was the up channel that I was showing you in my previous video. That I was telling you that target for the breakdown from this channel is here at the bottom of the channel. That was approximately at 15 cents. In fact, at 12 cents, and you can see that the price line dropped more than that. And while moving to the downside, the price line formed this up channel that is kind of more visible in the daily time frame chart. Therefore, I've split the time frame to the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, price line is now rejected by this resistance of 30 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. Previously, it was working at the resistance here, support here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that uh, this 30 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And for several weeks a month, it has been breaking as a support here as well. And by the way, recently, after this rejection by this resistance of 30 cents, the price end has broken down the next support of 20.35 cents. That was previously working as support here for several weeks. And before that, it was working as a support here and support here as well. And now again, it can also work as a resistance. And now recently, we have tested this long-term support of 15 cents and geared up. And in today's video, we will also analyze this support as well. And I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for dog we've had, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 8th of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this was a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of VOXEL. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price line was moving inside this channel. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, great rejection here, and then we had another bounce, and finally the price line broke out the resistance of the channel. And after the breakout, you can see that recently the price line has been rejected by this long-term resistance of 30 cents, and now it is almost bounced from this long-term support of 15 cents. And now we need to break out this resistance first at 20.35 cents. And if the price line breaks it out, then it can imminently move to the next resistance of 30 cents. And in case of breaking out the 30 cents resistance, it can reach this resistance on that starts from 44 cents and goes to 50 cents. By the way, this 44 cents is also the target for the breakout from this down channel as well, because this is a technical target at the top of the channel. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel, but after the breakout, the price line was rejected by this long-term resistance zone. And this is the resistance zone, by the way, that starts from 44 cents and goes to 50 cents. If I highlight this area, then it will be more visible to you. And you can see that previously it had been breaking as a resistance on here. And after the breakout, it was rejected by this resistance here. Again, got rejected here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of VOXEL. By the way, the long-term target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be somewhere between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.